Welcome to week 3. As always, you want to make sure you check out the resources. For example, the digital textbook Teaching with a Purpose for this week. Note the readings for that, chapters 4 and 5. And chapter 4 deals with learning about your students. Pretty much covered that last week. I'm going to work a little bit more on it. And teaching and learning in classroom management we'll do next week. So those are 2 chapters that should be looked at. The Great Schools website and the professional dispositions, that's what you're going to be doing, working on this week. Complete the professional dispositions assessment. And it's just where you assess yourself, putting numbers. You know, I advise making some notes in here because you are going to write a paper, so any notes you make would help you with that as well. So you are going to do that, and then you are going to send in a 250-word reflection. All right, so you submit the professional disposition statement and the assessment as one deliverable. So you can write this directly beneath the assessment, one document. The other thing you're going to work with STEP standards, student demographics, environmental factors, student academic factors. That's where the readings are going to help you a bit. So 2 assignments to be turned in, and the discussion reflecting your students and their individual learning needs. So how do you know what their needs are? What assessments are already in place to help identify this, and how will you monitor each student's individual learning? We talk quite a bit about differentiation of learning. We have to first know the student's needs. So here we go into week 3. I know it's exciting to be in the classroom. Look forward to continuing to work with you.